Number 9, various of the locals area is having to be vice mayor or something to be mayor.
Aksyon Balita!
Slaughterhouse has also been.
So there are three, I was able to get the information from COA. The three economic enterprises here in Dumaguete, where they are supposed to make money for the city as are losing. Number one, the safety facility, public market, as well as period for the last 3 years. So something is going to be done.
It seems like I heard that it has to be upgraded because it was downgraded.
Whatever
by
it takes.
the NMIS.
Whatever it takes, you have to improve that to give better service to the people. Mura dyan na. Importante kayo na. Pero mo magpare sa septic facility. Diya sa nakadaway, ibalis ka man na, it's still a dump site. Until now, it's still a dump site. So, what improvement for them? From the left hand to the right hand, what improvement? Mura gyapon. You try to go, hindi ka pasod doon. Why? But taxpayers supposed to be able to go. Why hindi matapasod doon? No? I was even shocked when I read the newspaper yesterday that Naisa, your vice mayor, our vice mayor, is the #1 individual highest taxpayer in the city of Dumaguete. Number 9, pamubak, o tanawa na. Oh, what does that mean? Nga? We are contributing much to the city of Dumaguete. I was shocked. I did not have those records. I just read it in the papers. Also, next one, look at it. Number 9, number 7. Individual taxpayer here, not corporation. Individual taxpayer here in the city of Dumaguete. Maria Isabel Secretaria, Vice Mayor in the city. Okay, tsaka mali nyo lang.
Aksyon Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.